Hello and welcome. It's so nice to have you here today. In this video, we're going to practice simple daily English phrases together using a very helpful method called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to someone speak and then you repeat what you hear. It's a very easy and powerful way to improve your English pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking confidence. When you shadow someone, you can hear the correct pronunciation and rhythm of the language. And then, by repeating it yourself right away, you give your mouth and your ears a chance to practice. It might feel a little strange at first, but it's one of the best ways to learn natural-sounding English. Today, I'll say short, easy phrases that you can use in your daily life. These are friendly, polite, and very common in English. I want you to listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry if you can't say it perfectly at first. That's okay. The most important thing is to keep going. Every time you practice, you will get a little bit better. And remember, I'm here with you as a supportive teacher. Take a deep breath and relax. Learning a language is a journey, and shadowing is a gentle way to help you along the way. So let's begin together. Now that we know what shadowing is, let's talk a bit more about why it's so helpful. When you repeat after a native speaker, your mouth and ears start to remember the correct sounds of English. It's like practicing a song. The more you sing along, the more natural it becomes. Shadowing is a gentle, enjoyable way to improve your fluency, and you can do it every day for just a few minutes. You don't need to worry too much about grammar or vocabulary right now. The most important thing is to listen carefully and repeat as clearly as you can. By copying the speaker, you will naturally learn the rhythm of the language. Over time, this will make you feel more comfortable speaking English without hesitating. One important tip is to focus on short, simple sentences at first. Phrases you use every day, like hello, how are you, or can you help me, are perfect. These are easy to practice because you probably already hear them often. The idea is to listen to my voice and repeat after me slowly. Don't worry if your voice is quiet at first. As you practice more and more, your confidence will grow. Remember to go at your own pace. You can pause this video whenever you need extra time to repeat or listen again. It's all part of the process. Practicing like this is kind, forgiving, and very effective. Every time you shadow a phrase, you get one small step closer to sounding more natural and feeling more confident. Examples. Now let's practice some simple daily English phrases together. Listen to me first, and then repeat each one after me. Remember, it's okay if you don't sound perfect at first. Just do your best and enjoy the practice. Here's the first one. Good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. That's a phrase we can use every day when we greet someone. Here's another one. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? This is a very kind, friendly question to ask someone. And when someone asks you, you can say, I'm fine, thank you. Repeat after me. I'm fine, thank you. Here's a very useful phrase for polite conversation. Excuse me. Repeat after me. Excuse me. You can say this when you want someone's attention or when you want to pass by someone politely. And if you'd like to say you appreciate something, you can say, thank you very much. Repeat after me. Thank you very much. This is a gentle, respectful way to show your gratitude. Now let's try a simple question you might ask in a shop or cafe. Can I have this, please? Repeat after me. Can I have this, please? And if you'd like to offer help, you can say, can I help you? Repeat after me. Can I help you? Each of these phrases is short and easy to practice. Don't worry if you need to pause the video and repeat a few extra times. That's perfectly okay. Practice is how you improve. Shadowing helps you remember these phrases and feel more natural when you say them. As you repeat these examples, focus on how my voice sounds, the tone, the rhythm, and the pronunciation. With each repetition, you're training your ears and mouth to speak more clearly and comfortably. Practice and tips. Now that you've had a chance to repeat some phrases, let's talk about how to practice every day and make it feel easy. The most important tip is to practice regularly. Even just 5 or 10 minutes each day can make a big difference. The more you repeat, the more comfortable you'll feel. When you practice, find a quiet, relaxing place where you can listen and repeat without distractions. Speak out loud if you can. Hearing your own voice will help you improve faster. If you feel shy at first, that's okay too. You can practice whispering until you feel more confident. And remember to go at your own pace. It's fine to repeat each phrase a few times, or to go back to the beginning of the video if you need extra practice. Shadowing is meant to help you build strong habits and muscle memory, so repetition is very helpful. Don't rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. It can also help to practice at the same time every day, like after breakfast or before bed. This will help you make shadowing a part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes of practice each day can improve your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. And most of all, be kind to yourself. Learning a language is like learning a musical instrument. It takes time and patience. Every time you repeat a phrase, you are one step closer to becoming a more fluent, natural English speaker. You've done a wonderful job practicing these simple daily English phrases with me today. Remember, shadowing is a gentle and powerful way to improve your speaking and listening. Every time you listen carefully and repeat after me, you are training your ears and your voice to speak more naturally and confidently. Keep practicing a few minutes every day, and don't worry if it feels difficult at first. Learning a new language is a journey, and you will improve one small step at a time. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and most of all, enjoy the process. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you'll come back and practice again soon. Keep shadowing, keep smiling, and keep going. You can do this.